quick funny story. I put the poke speakers in, like I said. I wanted to, put a small amp, nothing crazy. I'm not going to go nuts. I'm not that nuts over music, so I just wanted something to boost the volume. So I got this headphone jack, this headphone amplifier. I got the ground loop isolator and the USB. Where is it? It's right there. Right there with the blue collar. It's a USB 3-piece. So I'm saying, now look at me, I'm at 15, and it's barely I can hardly hear it. It's just as bad as the old one. So I realized I had the mute button on. So normally I would keep it at, on the road, you keep it at 20 or 22. This is at 15, and the headphone jack amplifier is only up about maybe halfway. I had the mute button on, and this is what I'm hearing at. Listen to this. That's only at 60. I can go higher. Which is louder than I'll ever need it. These three pieces were $60. So you got the ground loop isolator, you got the Bluetooth, USB, and you got the headphone jack, the headphone amplifier. I'll put all the links in the description. Crazy. Like I said. Score.